friends, welcome to the Anu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So here in this model, we are going to discuss our fourth question. These are all very easy questions. We have to consider the Euclid division lemma rule for this. After that, we have to move on this. So what is that Euclid division lemma? Division algorithm. So you can write is that dividend will be equal to, as usual, we know that divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here 9m is all things which are there given cube of any positive integer. So let's going to take cube any integer a. So let integer will be equal to a. Then what is its cube? The cube will be equal to cube of a. We are written in the format of 9m. Again a cube will be equal to 9m plus 1. Then again a cube will be equal to 9m plus 8. So these are the conditions. So here nothing means 0. So what we can say here is 9 is the divisor. So here 9 is the divisor, m is the quotient. The quotient will be equal to m. And reminder, it is in the format of cube, right? For any integers, 0 cube will be, so this one you can write 2 cube. And this is 1 cube. This is 0 cube. So remainder range, the range of remainder 0 less than or less than 3. So based on this, if you continue this one, here 8 is there against what we will get 27, 3 cube, like that we will get. So up to the remainder is 3. We are taking that up to 2. So let's take this is, let's consider a will be equal to some 3x. So why 3x we are taking here? So what is the way? So dividend, so divisor, remainder will be, this is divisor value also, you can take like this. So remainder divisor less than 0, 0 or less 0 less than or equal to or less than d, the divisor. So for this, if you take cube of this, we will get the value of, this is multiple, this is divisible by 9 is divisible by 3, then 3x plus 1, then 3x plus 2. So here x is the, what is the quotient? So there m is the quotient, but here we are taking. So let's consider the a cube will be equal to 3x whole cube. So what you can write it? So 3x whole cube means 3 cube into x cube. That is what you can write 3 square into 3x cube. You can write like this. 3 square is 9, 3x cube. Write like this. So now 9m. So here since m is equals to 3x cube. So this is the way we are shown that the a cube, any positive, use division algorithm, cube of any positive integer. So cube, that's stressing on cube. So that a cube will be, we are written in the format of 9m since m is equals to 3x whole cube, 3x cube. Now next one, what is that? A cube will be equal to, what is the next one? 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 whole cube. So here 3x plus 1 whole cube. So what is the value of a? What is the formula? The formula of a plus b whole cube will be equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So since we are making here, what you can take it here is, let's write this is 3x, 3 cube, that is 3x whole cube plus 3 into a square, that is 3x whole square, into b as usual, that is 1 plus 3 into 1 is what? 3x into b cube, b square is 1 square plus 1 cube. So this is the now this one we are going to extend here. The extended format is, we will write this one as 9 into, so 3 square as usual, 3x whole cube we are written here, right? So 9 into 3x whole cube, 3x cube, that's all. Plus, so here 3 square is there. For that you can take it 9 as a common, then 3x square, this 3x square. If you multiply, you can take common again. So 3x square plus here 9 is there, 9 into x plus 1. So since we can take it this one 9 as a common here, let's take 9 as a common. 9 into 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. So outside to this. then what you can take? So here 9m plus 1, since m is equals to, what is the value? So m is equals to, what is that? 3x cube plus 3x square plus x. So this is the way to write. So we are writing like this. So this is the value 9m plus a cube, we are written in the format of 9m plus 1 as we are written. Then a cube, again we have to write 3x plus 2 is there. So 3x plus 2 is there for that. So a cube, right next one. That a cube will be equal to 3x plus 2. Already we are covered with 1. That is whole square, whole cube. So since we already know formula, that is a cube 3x whole cube plus 3 a square b 3x whole square, b is what? 2 plus 3ab square, that is 2 square plus 2 cube. That will be, you can write it in the format of, so since we are written here 1 as usual, now what you can write? So this is the way. So 3 into 9 into 3x cube. Can you write like this or not? Why? Because 3 we are divided, 3 square is 9. Plus here also 3 square, you can write 9 into 3x square, that is into 2. Make it like that. Then we will write a 6 after that. Plus here 3 3s are 9, that is 9 into 2 square into, that is 4x plus 8. So since 9 into 3x cube plus 9 into 6x square plus 9 into 4x plus 8. So you can write 9 as a common, 3x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 8. So we have shown that, so 9m plus 8, since m will be equal to, so here m is equals to what? That is 3x cube plus 6x square plus 4x. So we have shown the cube of any positive integer is in the format of, we are already shown this. So based on above conditions, we can say that what you can write, therefore cube of any positive integer is in the format of, that is a cube 9m plus 1, then 9m plus 2. So since here we are concentrate on reminder based on that the values, divisor values we are taken. Based on that we are taken. Here 2 is there, based on that divisor is 3. If it is a 3 is there, based on that divisor is 4. Like that we are taking the previous conditions. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.